Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a stop in Uber. So do you need to pick up a friend or grab coffee on the way? Here is how to add a stop the smart way in the Uber app. Launch the Uber Rider app on your smartphone and make sure that you signed in to your account. On the home screen, go ahead and tap "Where are you going?" bar, which is at the top of the screen, to begin planning your trip. So type in your final stop first, where you ultimately want to go, and select the correct location from the suggestions. So where are you going? So let's say we're going to Bodija Market or something. They're asking me for some kind of verification and I don't want that kind of verification. So let's say I'm here. Now, after entering your destination, just go ahead and look to right. So after entering your destination, just look to the right of the destination field. Now go ahead and tap on the plus icon. This allows you to add one extra stop before the final location. So here you're going to see a field labeled add stop. I'm sure you can find that there. So go ahead and click on add stop. And once you click on add stop, that is it. Go ahead and add your stop. So enter the address of your stop, such as your friend's house, a store, or a pickup point. Then just go ahead and tap confirm the location. Now, Uber allows up to 2 stops total. Your initial pickup count as the first, then a stop, and then the final drop off. So each stop should be 5 minutes or less to avoid fare increases or trip cancellation. Once both the stop and the final destinations are entered, select your preferred ride option and tap confirm Uber to book the ride. Once matched with the driver, you may want to send them a quick message in the app chat. All right, and that's how you can add a stop to your Uber ride fast and easy. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.